everyone, welcome back to the adventure vlog. We are here in fabulous Las Vegas for a very short 24 hours. We're basically going to see how much we can fit into these next 24 hours by doing as much as possible, so come along for the journey.
You're gonna go, you're here right now.
Go
back to the casino.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers to our first drink in Vegas. An ice cold water. So I'm gonna give you the rundown in just a moment, but we're about to enter our room that was just upgraded. The light doesn't work.
Oh, oh yeah.
We love a mirror. Oh wow, this is fancy. This is fancy as hell. Oh my gosh, we have stairs in our room? Wow. This is so fancy.
There's a way to do these.
Oh yeah, there's usually a button. All right, please hold while we figure this out. Usually like a button. No, or like a, it's on the remote probably. Woo! There's the feet because it's the Wizard of Oz.
Prestige Club at the...
Okay, so let's give you the rundown. Originally, we were booked at the Venetian Resort, and then we got there, and Logan was like talking about a Prestige Club or something.
Yeah, there's something called the Prestige Club where you get complimentary breakfast and a happy hour with drinks and food or whatnot. And for
all
us,
this is included.
if knowing me and how much I like food, the cost of the Prestige Club probably would have equaled out to what we would have done with food and drinks if we did not have that free lunch-ish and free breakfast. Turns out they had an availability at the Palazzo, but not the Venetian. So we did it, and I couldn't be happier with the room so far.
So the two are connected. They're the same resort. So the Palazzo and the Venetian are one and the same, essentially. So they were able to not only upgrade our room, but also, like he said, we get the breakfast included, a happy hour with drinks and appetizers, like unlimited, for the cost of $75 per person. So if you're ever going to stay here, ask if they can upgrade you, because realistically, $75 per person, and it includes basically 2 meals. That's what you're going to be paying for in Vegas anyway. Plus the drinks, because drinks in Vegas are also expensive. You're paying $20 for an old fashioned. So it's definitely worth it, even if you don't take like full advantage of it, if you're just gonna like have a breakfast in the morning. Right?
Also consider with how you do Vegas, because if you do Vegas just for the shows or for the golfing and then you have fast food just so you can prioritize where you want the money, this might not be where you want to spend it. But for us, knowing how much, or for me, how much I love food and how much I just like to experience, this was worth it. And also, we got a discount on the room in the beginning, so it kind of equaled out, which is awesome.
How did we get the discount at the beginning?
I had a code. There was a code on the site when we were booking.
Oh, so it was just on the website.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep in mind that's a possibility too. When you're going to book something, make sure you do your research and figure out like if there's a better time to book, because if there's a discount for any reason. We also supposedly get a Prosecco welcome drink, daily breakfast, coffee, tea, water, and sodas are available all day. And there's board games available for play if we want to do that. So we're definitely everything we need to have a great night here, because we're only here for 24 hours.
And I would love to keep talking about it, but I do want to check it out. So we'll talk to you later.
Okay, this is totally not sponsored or anything like that, but because we got the upgrade and we did the Prestige Club lounge thing, we're in the lounge right now, which is where they'll be doing appetizers and drinks later, but they do offer like coffee and tea all day, so we're just walking around. It's so beautiful in here. I see like people can just literally come in here, drink their coffee, hang out. Later on, like I said, we'll get a couple drinks, we'll get some food. So we'll see what's up. But look at the view here too. Coming in from the cell phone, we stopped to get drinks. I'm literally in my robe. I can't obviously film inside of there, but we're about to get a couples massage. But they also have a bunch of amenities in there. They have like a sauna. They have like showers with all of the things that you need. You got a bathing suit.
What's the aqua pool?
It's like a spa pool that's like co-ed, so you have to like wear a bathing suit or whatever.
Yeah, a spa pool. That's a good way to describe it.
I don't know what it's called, but it's that. But okay, we're about to do that, and we'll catch you after. Okay, hey, quick little get ready with me while I give a review about the spa that we were just at. If I can find some like stock footage or something, I'll put it in here of where we were, because obviously we couldn't film inside for privacy reasons and all that. But I would highly recommend. We did a 1 hour or a 50-minute couples massage. It was amazing. I still feel a little oily, but they did have showers and an infrared sauna and all these other amenities inside that you could use. They also offered us some bathing suits if we didn't have them, because they're doing construction right now. And so that we could go into like the co-ed like steaming room and everything. It's almost 4 o'clock. There's a lot more on our agenda still before the night ends, because like we said, we only have the 24 hours here. So I'm also going to be doing a couple of other videos throughout the weekend that honestly are probably already on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing Unity at the Sphere or the depths, did you see that just turn on? Or an in-depth discussion about Mott 32, which is the restaurant where we're eating tonight, then go check out my channel and make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. All right, we got a little fit check going on. Oh, let me see if am I gonna break this? Probably. Hey, we in Vegas, baby. This is what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the night. I've layered this cute little top that my sister got me. This is thrifted. These are these cute little Y2K shorts that I found in my garage when my family was doing the garage sale, okay? So these are probably ours or someone's when I was a child, and they fit me. And of course you gotta go with the classics. Yes, we have a lot on our agenda tonight. It's just about 4 o'clock. So I need to get going. I gotta find Logan. He's somewhere in the casinos, hopefully winning a ton of money. Let's go. So right now, Logan is gambling, and I always feel a little bit weird, like being at the table and like recording or anything like that. I also don't know like what the rules are, so I'm just gonna explore a little bit. Like I said before, the Palazzo and the Venetian are connected, and so I'm kind of at the Venetian side right now, I think, because there's people in canoes, in gondolas, sorry. So yeah, I'm just exploring a little bit. I have been here before, but not for an elongated period of time, so we're just walking around. I feel like there must be like thousands of dollars in here because people throw money all along the canal and it's very long. Not that Vegas needs any more money. How you doing in blackjack?
Not the best, but also not the worst.
Good answer. Okay, so we're in the Prestige Lounge Club, whatever it's called, and we're gonna be so completely honest.
You're doing great. It's not our drinks. You're doing great.
So, oh, I don't know.
We'll take them.
Okay, so the situation is that there's a lot of people in here for like their happy hour type of thing, and not a lot of servers and bartenders. So we definitely waited at least 35 minutes for these cocktails. But it's okay because they're complimentary, technically.
Yeah, I was joking around. But if you're talking.
This one's a non-alcoholic.
We don't want that one.
Of course not. No. Oh, great.
Thank you.
We'll hold them for a minute in case. That's hilarious.
They end up coming back, we'll let them know. Thank you.
That was kind of funny. I caught that all on tape. But shout out to the people who are working here. I, as a bartender or someone who's worked in food service, I know how it is when it gets crazy and busy, and that's like there's nothing you can do except for bust your ass, and you're busting your ass, but the people, it's hard to keep up. So they're killing it. Mary and Sally are both amazing, and whoever's behind the bar is doing awesome too. They're just understaffed, which is crazy to me because it's Labor Day weekend, but it's all good.
Delicious food, great drinks, just service could be a little bit better, but I think that they just need more staff, and that's it.
'cause
They're all the best.
They're doing
people.
their
They're the
best. Yeah, I mean they're not like slacking off, you know.
Still
And-
rave reviews to get this Prestige Lounge thingy-majiggy, and we'll let you know more at breakfast.
Yeah, we'll give you the full rundown when we have breakfast tomorrow. But yes, the appetizers were also really good. So yes, let's enjoy. Well, cheers me. We're gonna have like 6 cocktails in front of us. It's gonna be okay, now we've gotten a few extra cocktails. And we're gonna take our espresso martinis to go because it took so long. We want to make the most of our time here. Let's go. All right, so we won some money. Logan, playing on roulette, and so yeah, of course, in honor of Grandma, I've got to do some like penny slot, OG type of stuff for Grammy. She used to come to Vegas every year. Fun fact, she loved this place. I guess should we just do max bet? Short version, dinner was delicious. Long version, subscribe to the channel to see the whole video breakdown. Look, it's in the middle. It's right in the middle by your chin, yeah. It's kind of cool. Ooh. Okay, that's what it's called. That's all. We're headed to the Sphere! Woo! I have a lot to say. It was definitely worth it because you're going to the Sphere for the Sphere experience, and if you can't see the Sphere, then there's no experience. Do you know what I mean? Also, I think it was so crazy that they were like so lax about security. Good morning. Okay, so what I have here, I have yogurt with fruit and granola, a little croissant. These are pork sausages. And this is a potato roasty with cheese, hard-boiled egg. Wow. He's got fruit. Gotta do a little hair of the dog in the morning. So cheers. Somehow, last night's makeup doesn't look all that bad. Kind of held up overnight. And we did sleep for once. And just like that, another trip comes to a close. Thank you for being here and being an integral part of this community. Get out there and keep living large. I'll catch you on the flip.